Hello, this is Tracy Anderson. Today is Thursday, October 1st. Let's talk about markets for a bit. First, we'll talk about beef, and things going on is middle meats, mostly tenderloins. Very strong. They were strong last week. They continue to move up this week. Looks like the holiday positioning is a little early this year. I'm not seeing this back down much, so I'm not ready to buy, but I'm going to be watching this very closely. Middle meats are very hot, especially tenderloins. Ribeyes as well. Exports, those three are very strong right now. The one middle meat that always is a good buy at the holidays is strip loins. So if you can figure out how to market a strip loin at the holidays, you will make some nice money. When I talk about other parts, ground beef, we're going to see that moving up now. We had some nice reductions the last couple of weeks. That'll be moving up. I expect we may have seen the low for the year, but I'll keep an eye on that. We still have more room down with flank steak and flat meat. I think we'll see a little more movement down, and then I don't think that we're going to see much movement up from those. Grounds, where it's steady money, maybe a penny or two up. Keeping an eye on that. We may see that move up as it gets colder. People start looking at winter menus. Looking at pork, yay, bellies finally broke. So we got up to 152. We're now down to 145. I'm still not ready to buy, but at least we're finally heading in the right direction. There was a lot of movement supporting that, and it was all export. So with that kind of drying up now, I think we'll see this market move back down where I think it should be. Now there's still a lot of strength in loins and butts. Those are both moving up every week now. It's a holiday time to do that. I think we're going to see those move and be strong through at least the next. I'm going to look at dairy. The block didn't go up this week. We're even money so far for the week. That's the great news. The bad news is barrel is now up 27 cents for the week. So classically, you want to see a gap of about 10 cents between the block and the barrel. We got up to as much as $1 difference. Hoping the block would come down to the barrel, but it looks like the barrel is going to come up to the block. So we're now at about 60 cents gap. As I said, through today, barrels are up 27 cents. Barrels drive the pricing for American cheese, processed cheeses. Butter's down 4 cents. Again, not a whole lot of activity in the butter market. Soy seems to have hit its peak, and we're coming off now. There are some values starting to show up on the soy market. Still not as low as it was earlier this year, but China does seem to have moved to Brazil for its buying right now, so that market is coming off. That's about all I have to say this week, so thanks for listening, and then go out and enjoy yourselves.